What did you say you made?
A birdhouse.
Can you tell me about your birdhouse?
The birdhouse, don't break it because it woody breaker.
Oh. What are all the parts of your birdhouse?
Make out
Okay. Where do the birds go?
I don't make it.
I know, but where would they go when they get in the birdhouse? There?
Ladder. Go in.
Oh, they have to climb the ladder to go in?
Yeah.
Would birds need to climb a ladder to go inside? Why not? How would they get into a birdhouse?
That's why mine have a ladder.
It might, but would birds need to climb a ladder? How do they get inside the birdhouse if it's up in a tree?
It isn't up in the tree.
Where is it?
It's on the ground.
Oh, so they just like walk inside it?
They can duck under like this.
Oh, they go underneath. What if it's a big bird? How's it going to get in?
They're baby birds.
Oh, so the
Mother birds and daddy birds.
okay, but if